Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming drivers and runtime. Run NVIDIA SMI to see the GPU model, driver version, and running processes. Install NVTop or similar so you get live usage graphs. Once done, enable persistence mode and set power management to prevent frequency downscaling. This keeps metrics stable during tests. Make sure to close competing GPU jobs and pin your test workload to a specific GPU so measurements reflect your intended process, not background activity. Now capture continuous telemetry. Run NVIDIA SMI daemon or scripts logging utilization, memory, clock, power, and temperature at 1 or 5 second intervals. While recording, profile the app, sample threads, kernel launches, and memory transfers so you can correlate spikes. Once you have traces, visualize utilization versus time and overlay throughput or latency. This reveals memory-bound versus compute-bound behavior. If utilization is low but compute demand is high, check PCIe bandwidth. Finally, implement focused optimizations. Increase batch size, fuse kernels, use pinned memory and asynchronous copies, or adjust affinity so the CPU feeds the GPU efficiently. Run the same logging routine again to compare before and after. A /B testing proves impact. If things go wrong, isolate the GPU. Run a minimal synthetic kernel at full occupancy to verify hardware and drivers. If occupancy is fine but app still underutilizes, step through data staging and kernel launch patterns. Make incremental changes and remeasure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.